So, let's proceed to activity number 2, which is the IAM Identify Access Management Service. So, dito, bali, gagawa na tayo ng three group name, which is the um, ano yan? CCTV, data analysis, and the data management. So let's go to the IAM and click the user group and create group, and let's input user group name, which is the first is the CCTV. So maglagay na rin tayo ng 3 policies and then create user group. And let's create again for the data analysis and let's select the 3 policies also, and the last is the data management ano na yung nandun? Data management, database management, am I right? Okay, database management. So let's also add 3 policies. And then sa loob ng group na to, let's add 4 users. Yes. But before that, gawa muna tayo ng 4 users. So user 1, next, and next, and create user. And then create tayo ulit ng user 2, next, and create user. And then user 3, next, ulit-ulit lang. And the last, user 4, and next, and create user. So bali, lalagyan na natin ng mga users itong ating mga groups, and kay CCTV muna, add users, then select this and add users. And dito rin sa ating data analysis, ganun lang, same process. The last is the database management and add users, and yan. So makikita natin meron ng mga 4 users ating mga groups. Yan, user 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and also here, and naka-define na siya. Yan. Then, and meron na rin silang meron na rin siyang 3 policies. Ayan. Ganon din si user 2, user 3, and user 4. Yan. So the next ang gagawin is and group has 4 users with 3 policies, each enabling access key to CLI. So lalagyan po natin siya ng key access to CLI. So kung paano yung ginawa, ganito. So let's click the user 1 and create access key, select command line interface, and click the I understand and click next and create access key. So bali ito na po yun. Magagamit po natin yan mamaya sa EC2. Yan. And done. That's done. Continue. So, kung makikita natin, meron na dito. So, ganun din gawin natin sa user 2. Same process. Ganun lang. Yan, done. So, ayan, camera ko pasali-sali. Dito ka nga muna. Done. Ayan. Done. So, that's the activity number 2. I am Identify Access Management Service.